Throughout history, the concept of miracles has intrigued human imagination, often seen as divine acts that defy natural law. The Bible, one of the most influential texts in history, provides numerous accounts of miraculous events. While these narratives hold profound spiritual significance, they also spark curiosity. Can science offer explanations for such wonders, or do they remain purely in the realm of faith? Today, we journey into the heart of this enigma to explore whether the seemingly inexplicable can be decoded by the tools of scientific inquiry. Let's begin with a biblical marvel that has captivated believers and skeptics alike: the parting of the Red Sea. According to the book of Exodus, Moses led the Israelites to freedom by dividing the waters of the sea, creating a path on dry land. While a miraculous event by religious accounts, scientists have pondered if natural phenomena could account for this description. Some researchers suggest that a strong and sustained wind, as part of a meteorological phenomenon known as wind setdown, could temporarily expose a seabed. This explanation mirrors the biblical narrative, presenting a bridge between faith and science, a harmony where natural forces take on an awe-inspiring form. Another visually striking miracle is the turning of water into wine at the wedding at Cana. While alchemy and transformation are central to many miracle stories, this particular event is often approached with symbolic interpretation. Scientifically speaking, transformation of one substance into another isn't as mystical as it seems. Modern science allows conversion of basic elements through chemical processes, although transforming water into wine, purely from a scientific basis, remains an unattainable task. Yet the allure lies not in disproving faith, but in understanding that such transformations highlight humanity's continuous quest for knowledge and mastery over the elements. Turning our attention skywards, the biblical account of the Great Flood and Noah's Ark presents another fascinating study. While evidence of a global flood as described in Genesis is absent, geologists have identified massive local floods in Mesopotamia and other regions around 5,000 to 7,000 years ago. The tale of Noah might reflect a collective memory of such ancestral experiences, a narrative woven to explain the forces of nature through the lens of morality and survival. Then, there is the heavenly phenomenon of the so-called Star of Bethlehem, said to have guided the Magi to the birthplace of Jesus. Astronomers have speculated whether this star was an actual celestial event. Numerous theories attempt to provide a scientific context: a comet like Halley's Comet making an appearance, or even a rare planetary conjunction, where two planets align close together in the sky, creating a bright point of light. These hypotheses do not aim to diminish the spiritual narrative. Instead, they illustrate how celestial occurrences can turn into myths that transcend time. As our journey through these wonders draws to a close, we are left with an understanding that science and faith navigate different realms of human experience. Science seeks explanations grounded in empirical evidence and natural laws, while faith embraces the mysteries of the unknown, offering meaning and purpose beyond the material. The stories from biblical texts capture the imagination precisely because they dwell in this space between reality and reverence. They remind us of humanity's eternal curiosity as we stand at the edge of what is known, gazing into the vast cosmos of what might lie beyond. Whether viewed through the lens of faith or science, these miracles perpetually fascinate, inviting us to ponder the boundaries of possibility and the intricate tapestry of belief and rationale. Perhaps the true wonder lies not in resolving the mysteries, but in embracing the questions themselves. In doing so, we acknowledge that life itself, with its capacity to inspire and mystify, may indeed be the greatest miracle of all.